Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is a screencast with information for the final week of the second marking period. So for Tuesday, January 19th through Friday, January 22nd. So as we go into Schoology to take a look at the last couple things here for marking period 2, the last week is that whitish color folder. There is no new information for this week. This week will be utilized to complete any makeup assignments and or recovery assignments. So obviously there was no school on Monday due to Martin Luther King Jr. Day. There's nothing in that folder. All of the information for this week is located in Tuesday's folder on the 19th. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday each have a page that a reminder kind of to go back to this folder, but this is where all the information is located. As we look in this folder, there are a couple options for students. The first two are recovery assignments from the previous 2 units that we've completed. We just finished the Indus Valley, India unit, so that is a recovery assignment for that. And the previous one before that was Egypt, which we finished before winter break. These assignments are recovery assignments, meaning that they can only help, they cannot hurt your grade. So students may consider doing these here before the end of the quarter to boost up their grade. I also offered the Hindu gods assignment to students who currently have A's. It's a little bit more of a fun activity for students to complete research on a Hindu god or goddess. I'll tell a little bit of story, give me some details about Hindu gods and goddesses, and they can submit that. So those are 3 recovery assignment options. This one is as well. They cannot hurt your grade, they can only help your grade. So for the remainder of the week, that's really what we talked about during Tuesday's Google Meet, was to get all that information out of the way, remind students about missing work. So as we look at the remainder of the week and we go into the planner for the week, Wednesday, which is an asynchronous work day, students are still working on makeup work, any type of recovery assignments for bonus points. And the final thing that I have in is a reminder to students. I put this in an email I told them today in the live Google Meet. If they would like to have a one-on-one live session with me, they are more than welcome to do that on Thursday, the 21st. Students just need to email me, either have their parents email me, and I can give you a time and all of that. So with that being said, Thursday, there are no live classes. I'm going to be meeting one-on-one with students rather. So students do not need to log in to their normal class. It will not work for them to log in because I will not have it open. Again, students are just working on recovery assignments, any makeup work, and that Hindu gods assignment. And then Friday, I just have a simple reminder, make sure all the work's done. The end of the marking period is Friday, so I will be closing everything out at midnight that evening. If you have any questions with that, you're more than welcome to let me know. Or any questions about grades or anything like that. I think a great opportunity would be those one-on-one Google Meets on Thursday, just so everybody's on the same page. We can identify any assignments that need to be done, and that gives everybody a little bit of last-second effort to earn as high a grade as possible for my class. So once again, no live class Thursday. If you want to do a one-on-one meet, just email me, let me know. I'll be happy to do that. I'll be sending out some reminders here towards the end of the week for the end of the marking period, and then we will be starting fresh with the 3rd marking period next Monday. We will be starting a new unit as well, the Ancient China unit. So I hope everybody has a great week. I'm sure I'll be hearing from a lot of you, and I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, everybody.